Fabricate, Fabricate. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to invent or create something, typically with deceitful intent, to construct or manufacture. Sentence, the witness admitted to fabricating the story in order to incriminate the defendant. Synonyms, invent, forge, concoct, manufacture. Antonym, validate, verify, corroborate. Facade, FACADE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the face or front of a building, an outward appearance that conceals the true nature of something. Sentence, the grand facade of the mansion hid the deteriorating interior. Synonyms, front, exterior, appearance, mask. Antonym, reality, truth, interior. Facet, FACET. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, one side or aspect of something, a particular feature or characteristic. Sentence, the problem had many facets that needed to be considered before reaching a solution. Synonyms, aspect, side, dimension, element. Antonym, whole, entirety, complete. Facetious, FACETIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, treating serious matters with inappropriate humor or sarcasm, flippant or joking in a light-hearted manner. Sentence, he made facetious remarks during the serious business meeting, causing some discomfort among the participants. Synonyms, flippant, frivolous, joking, sarcastic. Antonyms, serious, sincere, earnest, genuine. Facile, FACILE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, easily achieved or accomplished, superficially simplistic or effortless. Sentence, she had a facile way of solving complex problems that amazed her colleagues. Synonyms, easy, effortless, simplistic, superficial. Antonyms, difficult, challenging, complex, intricate. Facilitate, FACILITATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to make an action, process, or task easier or more efficient, to assist or enable something to happen. Sentence, the new software facilitated the data analysis by automating several manual tasks. Synonyms, ease, assist, enable, simplify. Antonyms, hinder, obstruct, impede, complicate. Facsimile, FACSIMILE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, an exact copy or reproduction, especially of a document or artwork, a fax or electronic transmission of a document. Sentence, he sent a facsimile of the contract to the client for review. Synonyms, copy, reproduction, duplicate, replica. Antonyms, original, unique, one of a kind. Faction, FACTION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a small organized group within a larger group, typically within a political or social context, with dissenting or conflicting views or goals. Sentence, the political party was divided into factions, each supporting different policy approaches. Synonyms, group, clique, sect, division. Antonyms, unity, harmony, collaboration. Factious, FACTIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, inclined or promoting division or dissension within a group or organization, causing disagreement or dissent. Sentence, the factious remarks by the leader fueled tensions among the team members. Synonyms, divisive, dissension-causing, quarrelsome, contentious. Antonyms, harmonious, cooperative, unified, collaborative. Factitious, FACTITIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, artificial or fake, not genuine or natural. Sentence, the factitious smile on her face couldn't hide her true emotions. Synonyms, artificial, synthetic, counterfeit, simulated. Antonyms, genuine, authentic, natural, real.
Copyright, Cogent Insights.
Factotum, FACTOTUM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a person who performs a wide range of tasks or has many different responsibilities, often within a household or organization. Sentence, the personal assistant acted as a factotum, taking care of administrative duties, scheduling, and event planning. Synonyms, jack of all trades, handyman, generalist, servant. Antonyms, specialist, expert, professional. Faculty, FACULTY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the teaching or academic staff of a university or educational institution, an inherent mental or physical power or ability. Sentence, the faculty members at the university are highly respected in their respective fields. Synonyms, staff, teachers, capability, power. Antonyms, students, incapacity, disability. Fake, FAKE. Part of speech, adjective/noun/verb. Meaning, not genuine or authentic, a counterfeit or imitation, to forge or deceive. Sentence, he bought a fake Rolex watch from a street vendor. Synonyms, counterfeit, imitation, sham, forgery. Antonyms, genuine, authentic, real, original. Fallacious, FALLACIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, based on a mistaken belief or unsound reasoning, deceptive or misleading. Sentence, the argument put forward by the politician was fallacious and lacked logical evidence. Synonyms, false, misleading, erroneous, deceptive. Antonyms, valid, sound, logical, true. Fallible, FALLIBLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, capable of making mistakes or being wrong, prone to error or inaccuracies. Sentence, despite his expertise, he acknowledged that he was fallible and open to correction. Synonyms, erroneous, imperfect, unreliable, mistaken. Antonyms, infallible, flawless, reliable, accurate.